In the lush heart of Boca Raton, Florida, elegance takes shape in the form of modern architecture and luxury living. Welcome to Akoya Boca West in Boca Raton, Florida, a residential masterpiece designed by Amkin Management. Here, VONN Lighting transforms everyday living into an experience of elegance and ease. Akoya isn't just a residence, it's a sanctuary. From panoramic golf course views to cutting-edge amenities, every detail exudes timeless Florida charm. VONN was selected to bring light and intention into every room. From bold entry statements to serene bedroom scenes, we delivered a curated palette of lighting solutions that seamlessly blend form and function. The Capella Multi-Ring Semi-Flush Light makes a sculptural statement in main living spaces. Its floating rings create dimension, depth, and ambient warmth. In the bedrooms, the Lyra Chrome Pendant offers a soft, gallery-like glow. Its height-adjustable structure adds both drama and versatility. In transitional spaces, the Radium Rectangular Semi-Flush Light delivers clean geometry with cutting-edge LED performance. And in the office, the Atria Black LED chandelier frames the space with sharp lines and minimal presence, commanding yet calm. Each VONN fixture was chosen not just for its aesthetics, but for how it enhances the daily experience of Akoya's residents. Light becomes the silent partner in luxury, sculpting mood, elevating materials, and framing views without distraction. At Akoya Boca West, light is more than illumination. It's part of the design language. With VONN, luxury is never loud. It's layered, deliberate, and always aligned with a higher standard. VONN Lighting. Fashion in lighting. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at Akoya Boca West, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories where architecture and lighting unite. Architects, designers, or developers? Join the VONN Pro Trade Program. Get exclusive pricing, personalized support, and fast access to lighting solutions that lead the market in style and performance. Sign up free at www.vonn.com/pages/trade program. VONN Lighting, fashion in lighting.